Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start the next lesson is odd one in of 7th standard. In our previous lecture, we have seen about the poem past, present, future. At that time, after completion of the poem, I told you to complete or to solve the exercise which is given by the school on your WhatsApp link. Hope you solve all those things. Today, we are going to start. Actually, this is not lesson, but this is a story, or we can say lesson cum story. And this lesson is about the students. Generally what happens, if we take admission in any new school and school starts in the academic year, in the first day of academic year, definitely our parent asks us, how is your first day, or how was your first day? And that time, some students will enjoy the first day of the school, some students will not enjoy the first day of the school. Means different opinions and all, etc. So today we are going to start about one student, that is a Malti, which she has taken the admission in new school, and she belonged to another state, and she took admission in another new state. Means somewhat language different, or we can say place different. And I should say you, she don't know English too much. Means she is lacking behind in English subject. But she is a studious girl in the class, good girl in the class. What happened? Let's start in this lecture. Odd one in. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Rima is character. Character, or we can say student. Who asked the question? The mother of the Rima asked to Rima, how was your first day while sitting down for dinner? How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. Means Rima has attended for her first school, and in the evening while settling down for dinner, that time mother asking to Rima, how was your first day of school? Okay, Rima shrugged. What is shrugged? Is one is given here, shrugged. Shrug means lifting the shoulders, act of lifting the shoulders. Generally, you can say, yes, okay, no problem. Means the parts of the body uses to perform that act. Yes, okay. No, as a problem. Okay, Rima shrug. No lesson. Just settling in. What is settling in here? Settling in means new place. It is about the first day of the school of Rima's. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lesson. Means the first day not lecture to taken place, just settling in only this new place for me. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen, any new girl in the class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. The father, Mr. Sen, is inquiring about any new child, any new student in the class with the remark. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grins Rima as he held herself to the salad. Here, grins. Ugly or angry expression. Try to understand when the mother of Rima was asking about the first date with the Rima. That time Rima, there is not found any different kind of or any kind of expression over the face or body language of the Rima. But when father was asking, the father was inquiring about any new child in the class. That time the the mood or the expression of the Rima somewhat seemed to be different one. How? That is winced. Ugly, angry expression. With angry expression, Rima was telling only one, and that is a Malti. And Malti is a funny. She is a funny girl, funny new student in our class. Understanding? Hope you understand. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Why do you say that means funny? Why you are telling she is a funny? Who is asking? The father is asking to the Rima. She can't speak much English. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state. She, as I told you in the first time only, she belonged to another state, and now she is learning in different state. Who? Malti. So why she is a funny when the father is asking, asking further, inquiring further? That time she told him she can't speak much English, and she has come from another state. Sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are especially good at maths, said Mr. quietly. As soon as when Rima told she belonged to another state, she belonged to that state, that time the father was telling very enthusiastically, what? I heard that from that state, the students are very quite expert, quite clever, especially math subject. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. How she is responding? She is responding good in maths. Good in maths in one subject. Good in one subject. That's it. It is not can't be to be smart at all. Maybe any students good in any subject, no problem. But she is a good in math subject. The students who belong to that state, especially, they are very smart. They are very good in math subject. Well, who said? Rima said, well, this one does not means good in maths does not seem smart at all manner. Suppose I am expert in maths, suppose I am good in maths, it doesn't mean that I am good in other subject. speaking or reading, learning, or sports we can say. It happens, no problem. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher. Mimic the Rima. This is the about Rima. This is about Malti. The Rima is telling. See, maybe she is good in maths, but it does not seem to be good in all subject, in all manner, smart in all manner. Oily hair is there, bindi and all. Typically Indian student. Typically village student we can say. Oily hair, bindi and all. And how her English is there? Good morning. Not good morning, good morning. Pronunciation means English is so weak. Teacher, mimicked Rima. How she is wishing to the teacher? Good morning, teacher. Her parents exchanged glances. Her means Rima's parents. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her. How she started to say something about Malti. The parents started to, what you can say, looking towards the Rima, and they started thinking she is the only daughter of them, and they used to take care of her. Is about, I'll write on the blackboard. Glances. What is glances? To look quickly. To look quickly. And another word is here, dotted. Dotted means love or loving. Or insufferable and insufferable. Insufferable. There are three words from same passage. Insufferable is extremely unpleasant. Glances, to look quickly. Dotted, love. Who loves to whom too much? The parents are loving too much to her daughter, to their daughter, that is Rima. Insufferable is extremely unpleasant. I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. After having the dinner, while what you can say, leaving the chair or leaving the table, that time the father hoped with to the Rima that you will not create any problem for Malti in the class. But unfortunately, what happened? Rima and her gang had decided to do just that only. What father told? Hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti in the class. Don't, what you can say, give trouble or don't create the problem for Malti because she is weak in English. But already Rima and her gang in the class decided to do just that only, to create the problem for Malti. Next morning, means the second day of the school, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, "Good morning." All the students are there, already the students are in the class. Rima and her gang are there, and finally what happened? The Malti was entering in the class. As soon as she enters in the class, all the students, especially Rima and her gang, started to chorus over the Malti. How? Good morning. Because she wrongly pronounced in first day. Actually, she didn't know what is the correct pronunciation of the good morning. But even though she tried a lot, she wished to the teachers, she wished to the others. In the second day also, all the students are started to made mimicry with the Malti. With the how? Good morning. Poor Malti, innocent Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. As generally she comes and she goes their place in the class, but she didn't know they are making fun with me. She thought all they are wishing to me. She beamed back. She beamed means happily. She also given response to the wishing of the students. Good morning. Good morning. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." How many minutes? Okay. Today, page number 3 finished. Today, that much finished. Enough for we people. And tomorrow we are going to start the next part of the lecture or next page of the lesson. That is page number 4.